वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Hello friends, welcome to Sikh History Sakhi podcast. I am Harpreet Kaur, your host. Has it ever happened with you that sometimes a word touches you so much that you bring about a change in your life or transform your habits? Whether it was from a friend, a teacher, or anybody, or maybe you read something somewhere. In today's episode, we will experience something similar. In the last episode, we discussed that Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Pai Mardana Ji have come to Tulumba and are staying at Sajjan Thug's place. Sajjan is an impostor. That is completely opposite to his name, which means a gentle and kind friend. He makes travelers stay at his guest place, serves them with good food, but steals and kills them in their sleep. Sajjan Thug had a look at the beautiful and ever-glowing face of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and wonders how rich he might be and everything he can steal from them. He thinks that Guruji has put on the robe of a saint to hide his true wealth. He thinks that they might be carrying gold and jewelry. Sajjan welcomes both of them and serves Guruji and Pai Mardana Ji with great care. Guru Nanak Dev Ji stayed up till late, making Sajjan restless as he wanted to steal from them when they slept. And finally, he walked up to Guruji and said, "It is quite late, my beloved guests. You must be tired. Beds are ready. Have some sleep." Guruji smiled. He knew everything and said, "All right, but we will sing one hymn and sleep afterwards. Mardana, pick up the rabab." And here Guruji recited the following Bani as mentioned on Ang 729. Ujjal keha chilkana, kotim kaladi mas. ਧੋਤਿਆਂ ਜੂਠ ਨ ਉਤਰੈ ਜੇ ਸੋ ਧੋਵਾਂ ਤਿਸ ਸੱਜਣ ਸਈ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਚਲਦਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਚਲਨ ਜਿੱਥੈ ਲੇਖਾ ਮੰਗੀਐ ਤਿੱਥੈ ਖੜੇ ਦਿਸਨ. It means that bronze is bright and shiny, but when it is rubbed, its blackness appears. Washing it, its impurity is not removed, even after 100 times. They alone are my friends who travel along with me. Where the accounts are called for, they appear standing with me. Guru Nanak Dev Ji further said, "Simmal rukh sreer mein, मैजन देख पुलन, से फल कम न आवनी, ते गुण मैं तन हन." Meaning, my body is like the simmal tree. Seeing me, other people are fooled. Its fruits are useless, just like the qualities of my body. These words shocked Sajjan Thug, and each word was as if making him count his sins. Guruji recited in the end, "ਚਾਕਰੀਆਂ ਚੰਗਿਆਈਆਂ ਅਵਰ ਸਿਆਣਪ ਕਿਤ, ਨਾਨਕ ਨਾਮ ਸਮਾਲ ਤੂ ਬਦਾ ਛੁਟੈ ਜਿਤ." Meaning, what good does it do to serve and be good and be clever? O Nanak, contemplate the name of the Lord, and you shall be released from bondage. Hearing the Shabad, Sajjan knew exactly for whom it was addressed, and the meaning of those words pierced his soul, making him realize all the mistakes he committed. how his greed had destroyed all the good deeds he once did. He fell at Guruji's feet and cried for forgiveness. Guruji blessed him and he distributed all his wealth. He turned about his life and led a life full of honesty and service to mankind. In Pakistan, there is a Gurdwara built in his memory at that place. Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar, has named one of its important buildings as Sheikh Sajjan Guest House. I hope this brings some value to you and your family. Thank you.